Good morning and welcome, dear students. Today I will explain you how to make notes. Note making, this is the part of reading section. In your reading section you will get one unseen passage on the base of MCQs and you have to give answer after reading the passage, and one passage will be there for making notes. So maybe possible this is new part for you. So in today's lecture I am explaining you what is note making, how to make notes. So students, passage second, this is type second, requires an advanced writing skill. It is acquiring increasing importance due to the knowledge explosion. And passage type second, rather, note making. Note making is a means to capture the key ideas of a given passage. You have to comprehend the passage. It is given here. First of all, you have to understand the passage very carefully. Better understanding skill required. You must know what is the passage about. At least you have to read the passage 2 times in order to understand well. What is its main points, main topic? What are its main components? Now do as under. Simply unseen passage will be there, and after reading passage at least 2 times, you have to understand well what is the passage about. Just jot down the main points. Write the main points in a sequence. Neither miss out the important points nor do include irrelevant points. Point should be to main and short to the points. Use symbols, abbreviations, omit articles, preposition in conjunction. Use of main consonant of the word. Use of apostrophe in between the words. Next, I am moving ahead. Read the passage very carefully. You have to read the passage, understand well, read passage carefully, frame points, sub-points related to subheadings. All subheadings or points of the same level should be written at the same uniform manner in the margin. Same uniform manner. Indenting is used to clearly indicate subheadings, points, subpoints. This is called indenting, separated by points. Logical sequencing, subheadings, points is essential. Don't write full sentences. Full sentences are not acceptable. Be careful, students. This is very important part. Don't write full sentences. Use abbreviations wherever necessary, using all the important points. And in second part, you have to write summary. Use third person. Write the summary in complete sentences. So this is the guidelines for preparing note making and summary. Now I am moving ahead. This is the format. Dear students, see, this is the format. I will explain you. In format, mechanics of note making. Use of abbreviations, capitalized words, UNO, CBSE and CRT. In this way you can use abbreviations. Arithmetic symbols can be used. Commonly used in newspaper like Government, English, Sanskrit, so we can use short form. Invented, first and last few letters like educational, एजुकेशन है तो हम उसको EDN यूज़ कर सकते हैं. We can use proper indentation. Proper indentation, it means proper numbering. So in this way, this is first of all, after reading the passage, you have to mention heading or title in the middle. Subheadings, in this way you have to mention first point number 1 subheading. अब उसके पार्ट्स करने हैं आपको, तो 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 ये हमारी सब हेडिंग से हैं. सेकंड का लिया सब हेडिंग एंड 2.1, 2.2. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर इंडेंटेशन. बी केयरफुल, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर इंडेंटेशन. You have to follow the format. Next, I am moving ahead. I have taken one unseen passage here. I want you have to pay attention, understand well. Research has shown that human mind can process words at the rate of about 500 words per minute. Human mind process 500 at the rate of 500 words per minute. You can see speaker speaks at the rate of 150 words per minute. You can see. Difference between difference between 350 words per minute. So pay attention students, I have highlighted here. Research has shown human mind can process words at the rate of about 500 per minute. A speaker speaks at the rate of about 150 words per minute. Difference between the two, 350 is quite large. Speaker must make every effort to retain the attention of the audience. Listeners should also be careful not to let his mind wander. So this passage is talking about the art of good listening. हम चीज़ों को समझ नहीं पाते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि हम पूरा फोकस नहीं कर पाते. When our mind, brain, eye, ear, heart, they are in proper coordination, we are listening the things properly, we can understand. So students, I am just going to highlight the main points. I am telling you how you have to make notes. In this part you have already seen, this is I have highlighted human mind process. You have to avoid articles, prepositions, helping verbs. Write short and to the point. Complete sentences are totally prohibited. You should not write complete sentences while making notes. Human mind process words at the rate of about 500. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? How we will write? Mind process at the rate of 500 words per minute. Short and to the point. Clear? Next I am moving ahead. Speaker speaks at the rate of about 150 words per minute. स्पीकर जो है वो 150 वर्ड्स पर मिनट के हिसाब से बोलता है. अब डिफरेंस कितना है? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू, इट मीन्स आवर माइंड प्रोसेस एंड स्पीकर स्पीक्स. डिफरेंस इज 350. स्पीकर मस्ट मेक एवरी एफर्ट टू रिटेन द अटेंशन. हम जितना अटेंशन पे करेंगे, फोकस, कंसंट्रेशन, डोंट लेट माइंड वंडर, अपने दिमाग को ना भटकने दे, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. गुड कम्युनिकेशन कॉल्स गुड लिसनिंग. गुड कम्युनिकेशन कॉल्स फॉर गुड लिसनिंग skills. Now I am moving ahead, second part. Listening involves hearing with attention. Hearing and listening, there is vast difference between them. In hearing, we used to hear the voices, sounds without understanding. On the other hand, listening involves hearing with attention. Listening is a process that calls for concentration. Listening, one should also be good observant. Listening has to do with the ears as well as the eyes. This time you are listening but unable to see. Eye contact is not there. So in listening, our eyes, mind and ears, they work. Listening is to be understanding. It is a process. Listening is to be understood as the total process that involves hearing with attention. Listening क्या है? Hearing with attention. Being good observant, making interpretation. Good communication is essentially an interactive process. This is bipolar process. It calls for participation. I am moving ahead. It calls for interpretation, participation. It is not monologue, but it is dialogue. Good listening is an art that can cultivate it. There are some barriers. Barriers can be both physical and mental. Hindrance to proper hearing. Psychological barriers, more fundamental. So this is paragraph. After reading the paragraph, you have to make notes. In notes, first of all, you have to mention the title,